My name's Leilani.
My name's Aaliyah, and we're going to show you how to enter our PBS Rewards raffles.
First, you're going to go to pbisrewards.com.
Then you're going to go on the right to check your point balance.
Next, you're going to want to scroll down and go to raffles. You'll see our December raffle there.
If you open up the details, you can see what we're raffling off. This month it's a Squishmallow.
You're going to press register.
And then you're going to put up to 10 tickets.
After you put that, it is going to be 1 point per ticket. So then after that, you're going to just put save entry.
So don't put over 10 tickets or you will be disqualified from the raffle. So you're going to hit save entry and then you're all done. Good luck!
Good luck!